Good day, this is Councillor Andre Beertge, Ward Councillor for Ward 97. This message goes to the residents of Umfuleni Road in Doonside. On Thursday, the 27th, between 9 and 1500 hours, the water supply to the 8 properties between Seadoon Road and Harmony Place will be terminated. This affords the contractor, in conjunction with the municipality, to fit what they call a rider main. It's a surface supply pipe which will be tied into each of the meters of the 8 properties so that we alleviate the possibility of the embankment falling again when there's rain. This will also afford the contractor the opportunity to start and fit the retaining wall that comes on the one side of the property and borders on Umfuleni. Thursday, the 27th of March, between 9 and 1500 hours, Umfuleni Road will not have water. Councillor Andre Beertge, Ward 97, Amanzimtoti.